Good morning one and all. Today you are going to learn the noun, singular and plural. So in English letters, in English alphabet there are two numbers. In English word there are two numbers are there. One is singular and another one is plural. We all know that what is a noun. Noun is a naming word. It can be the name of a person or it may be the place or things. But what happens when the nouns come more than one? So we'll discuss about here what is a singular and what is a plural noun. So let me explain you. Singular nouns are the nouns which are in one number. It means the things or it may be person or maybe the place. There should be only one. That is called the singular. And then the plural is what? The plural nouns are the nouns which are more than one in number. That means more than one comes means more than one. That means it is a plural noun. So I will explain you how to change the singular to the plural. Okay, so most of the nouns are we add s to form into plural form of the noun. For example, book. So whenever we add s, so most of the words are we add the s to form into plural form of the noun. So it comes here books. So many words are most of the words that we add s to change into plural form of the noun, like toys. So plus s, then it will count on. So, many words, but some few words are there when it's end with the some letters. They are ch, sh, ss, S, X, O. So these are the few words that ending with these letters. So what happens when the words are ending with the CH, SH, SS, S, O or S? So how to change that such kinds of the word into the plural form? Let me explain you. For example, the word bench. Bench. It is ending with the CH. So what happens on that? When the words are ending with the CH, SH, SS, S, X or O, then we have to add plus ES to change into singular to the plural form of the noun. So here what it comes? ES. So what comes the answer? Benches. And second one is SH. The word which are ending with the, when the words are end with the SH, that also the same, we have to add ES to change into plural form of the noun. So now S, SS, glass, glasses. So these are the words are here that whenever the words are ending with the CH, SH, SS, then we have to add ES to change into plural form of the noun. And then S, X and O. So this all these CH, SH, SS, S, X, O, when the words are ending with this letter, then we have to add ES to change into plural form of the noun. Again, some more are here. Let's give you. So this was the word that ending with the CH, SH, SS or S or X or O. But what happened when the word are ending with the Y? Ending with ends by Y. So what happened on that word to change into singular to the plural form? So here, when the word are ending with the Y, when the word are ending with the Y, you have to check before the Y what is the letter. That is the main one, that when the word are ending with the Y, then you have to check before the Y what is the letter. That means whether there is the consonant or the vowels. So when the words are ending with the Y, before the Y if there is a vowel, then no needed to change this but only we have to add s to change into plural form of the noun. But when the word are ending with a y and before the y, if there is consonant, then we have to change this y into I, then plus es. For example, city. So this is the word then ending with the y. And again here, toy. So these also the word which are ending with the y. So what is the differences on there? Before the y, we have to check what is the letter on before. First one is CT is T and another one is O. So T and O, we got the T and O. So T is the consonant. It is a consonant and O is a vowel. So what on here, according to the rules, that when the word are ending with the Y and before the Y, if there is a consonant, then you have to cut this Y and change into I and plus ES to change into plural form of the noun. So what comes the answer? City. City. And now the second one is TOYS. So Y here, the same ending word and O. This is the vowels. So when the word are ending with the Y and before the Y, if there is the vowels, then there is no changes on there. Instead of we have to plus S. So what it comes? TOYS. So this is how to change the word into singular form when the word are ending with the Y. First one, what you have to check on there, before the Y, what is the letter? So this is a very main and important. Before the Y, what is the letter? Whether it is consonant or the vowels. If the consonant is there, you have to change the Y into I and plus ES to change into plural form of the noun. And when the word are ending with the Y and before the Y, if there is vowels, then you have to, no need that to change anything. Instead of that, plus S and then it will become into the plural form of the noun. So now end with F or FE. The words which are end with F or FE. So when the words are ending with the F or FE, what happen on that to change into plural form of the noun? When the words are ending with the F or FE, then how to change into singular to the plural? For example, white. So if the word is ending with the FE, so when the word are ending with the F or FE, then what you have to do? You have to cut, or else you can change the F into B, then plus ES. So change the FE or cut the B, then plus VES. The same way you can do, which one is easy on you, you can use. Cut the F or FE, then plus VES. Which one is easier on you, you can use on that. When the word are ending with the F or FE, cut the F or FE, then plus VES to change into plural form of the noun. Then what comes the answer? White. So this is the answer. And another some more example. Leaf. So leaf is the only singular one, only the one. So when then the word ending with the F. So F is here, then cut the F, then plus VES. Then what comes? Leaves. So these are the word ending with the F or FE to change into plural form of the noun. First, which one is easier on you? F or FE change into V plus ES, or cut the FE plus VES. Which one is easier on you? You can use the both. But when the word are ending with the F or FE, cut it and plus VES and change into plural form of the noun. And then now the last one is totally different from others word. It is sometimes completely it changes the word. So whenever we write a child, so this is the only one child. It is the numbers of the child, only one. It represents only one. But we learned that most of the nouns we add s to change into plural form of the noun. and when the word are ending with a Y, then we cut the Y or we add the S, or then when the word are ending with the CH, SH, so on we have been going now. But now the word are, some words are there that totally change whenever we change into plural form of the noun. So child, child is a one singular, and whenever one child, whenever we want to write a one child, is only the one. So whenever we want to write a two child, how to change? So completely it will be changed on children. So this is the two children. One is one child and two children. So the child is only one, and then children is more than one. It can be 3 or it can be 4, any number, but this is more than one. But and then there is no S or ES or anything. When you are changing the child to the children, and sometimes some people write the S or something, then it is a wrong. So there is no S and all. And some words are so here tooth. So one is it is in the singular form. Whenever we change into the more than one, then it changes into T. So this is some few example of the word which totally change whenever we change into the singular to the plural form of the noun. And some few more example, man, man. So whenever we want to write more than one, then it changes spelling E. So these are the differences on there. And here child, children. So we add here to represent into plural form of the noun. So these some words are there that totally completely change into singular to the plural form of the noun. Thank you.